How to search on TikTok while on FaceTime. First, open up the phone app on your iPhone. Then tap on this FaceTime option on your desired contact. You can also make the call directly from the FaceTime app. So once they pick up, just minimize the FaceTime app and head over to TikTok. On the top here, you'll notice that the FaceTime call is still active. Now tap on the Friends icon from the bottom panel. Then tap on Search on the top right. Now just search and browse through TikTok. Following these steps, you can easily search on TikTok while on FaceTime. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.